Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by obtaining the meeting code the host provided. It's the only way in. Enter it exactly as shown. Letters, numbers, and hyphens matter. If you aren't signed into a Google account, sign in now because many meetings require authentication. Once signed in, open Meet. Google.com or the Google Meet app and focus on the code field. Type or paste the 10-character code, then press Join. This immediate first step gets you to the waiting stage quickly. After entering the code, you land on the preview page where you configure AV, test microphone and camera so others can hear and see you. Choose the correct audio source, whether device mic, headset, or call-in, and set video resolution if bandwidth is limited. If the meeting shows a waiting room, click Ask to join. The host will be notified and must admit you. Once admitted, make sure to mute on entry to avoid background noise, then unmute when you speak. You're in the meeting. Now finalize settings and participate. Use chat for links and raise hand to speak so the host maintains order. If you're denied access, immediately confirm the code and that you use the host-authorized Google account, then ask the host to resend or admit you. If audio or video fails, leave and rejoin in a new browser tab or restart the app. Switching to a wired connection or closing background apps often fixes issues. This one troubleshooting step resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.